so embarrassing. It's Kathleen. I'm so pumped for our Valentine's Day thrift date. Whatever you find, my treat. Of course, I'm actually filming this a couple days before Valentine's Day, so I thought maybe we could find a cute little Valentine's Day outfit together. Oh, also on the way here, somebody did honk their horn at me, so if I seem a little bit off, I'm just kind of like emotionally reeling from that still. Okay, let's go. Always gotta look through the big art, and I think I just hit the jackpot. Future. This walks a very fine line between being horrible and being amazing. I'm very interested in this frame. I love the silver on the front of the wood. Let's see what the art looks like. Huh. Not bad. Let's check this. That's gorgeous. Whoa, what is this? Yeah, you're coming home with me. Bestie, we're off to a great start. So apparently this print, I think, is from 47. I mean, not this print, but this artwork, and it's called Lucifer. Very emo Jackson. What? And there's a Cezanne print? Aw. I don't know if this really goes with the house vibe that we have, but I'm just such a sucker for a museum print. And just a cheeky little Monet hiding back here. Ugh, I hate this matting. It just makes the artwork look so drab. Just put it on white, man. So pretty. I love this little cream and black edge. Good job, whoever made this. Oh God, Pooh, what did they do to you? They're playing Shrek, y'all. Hold on, I gotta watch this for a little bit. Okay, before we start looking at clothes, let's take a peek at the shoes and the bags, see if we can find some accessories. Usually you would do this the other way. You find the clothes first and then the accessories, but sometimes you just gotta shake things up. So let's go. Ooh, tentacle shoes. I don't like it, but I respect it. Sounds like something your little league coach would say as an insult. What are you, some kind of sporto? Kind of cool. Little booties with a little ankle tie. This is called Steve. We're trying them. It's giving river dance. So I've seen a lot of videos recently, people talking about 2022 trends and like what's going out of style, what's going into style. Who cares? But you know how chunky sneakers are really in style right now? I predict then in 2022, shape ups. Just wait. Done with the shoes, now we're in the hats and the purses. It seems like there's a chance this will fit my huge head. We'll try it later. So I've been looking for a good bossa nova album, and if you haven't seen Louis Zong's Goodwill remixes or mixtapes, I forget what it's called, but I'll link it down below. He buys records from the thrift store and then samples it and makes a beat out of it, and they just bring me so much joy. I think you'll like them too. Ooh, Peter Pan. Look at this artwork. Very Mary Blair. Oh my gosh, I love this. I knew this was Ben Sean, one of my favorite artists. If you ever need illustration inspiration, look at vintage illustrated record covers. This one kind of seems like it might be bossa nova-y. Let's try it. Ooh. Kenneth, 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 Kenneth? Ronnie. I've become distracted, but I've always been looking for one of these teddy jackets that's actually the teddy material on the inside too. Okay, Eddie Bow Bow. I think I did find what I want to base my Valentine's Day outfit around. This fuzzy little cropped polo how cute, with like a red lip and some other things I haven't decided yet. Let's see what we can find. Okay. So let's continue looking for our Valentine's Day date outfit. I'm gonna try and base something around this little polo. Maybe we'll find a dress too. I don't know, I just feel like that's so easy for a date night. First outfit option is what I like to call fuzzy schoolgirl. This skirt would be so cute with this, but it's definitely too small for me. But paired with some like black tights and some boots, adorable. This little tiny micro skirt would be so cute with it too. Once again, too small. Ah yes, my comfort zone. We all know from last week's video, my closet curation, that I don't need any more stretchy pants, but doesn't mean I won't get any. I have been looking for cargo pants. Let's see if we can find any. I spy a cargo pocket. Oh, Target brand, which I wouldn't usually go for, but these are kind of cool. I think they're too big though. Well, which one is it? Okay, these aren't cargo pants, but they are leather pants. So I'm gonna try those. More leather pants. These are like a camel color and they look kind of paper baggy at the top. I think they're super high-waisted. These might be amazing. Trying them. Finally made it to the dresses. My cart is crazy. Let's take a really quick zoom through here and then let's get out of here, bestie. Cutest French Connection jumpsuit. Wowie zowie. Ooh, Squid Game vibes. The perfect Valentine's Day outfit. A suede set. Why not? No more blue vintage dresses. Not allowed. Oh, but look at this one. Wait, this is actually cool. I'm gonna go do a little sort through of everything, see what I actually want to try on, and then we'll do that. All right, y'all, we've got our work cut out for us. I think I'll just show you a couple highlights, and then if I get anything superb, I'll show you at the end. Okay, these are sweet. I love how wide the legs are, but they are a little bit big. I'm holding them at the top. Love this. I think it's a yes for a Valentine's Day outfit. These pants are cool in theory, but they're just a little bit short. It like almost feels like a chino, but that extra little detail of being leather is pretty sweet. This would have been so cute, but this skirt, not quite fitting. Dang it. Oh, how I wish this suede set fit. Okay, this is a very rare and premium aesthetic called Tanya Harding meets Bridgerton. I'm not gonna get it, but it's pretty cool. I just put on this turtleneck and one of my AirPods popped out and it's somewhere in this shirt and I cannot find it. Help! Okay, last step before we go home. See if this hat fits. You can't see my face, but I'm frowning. Hello? That's better. I'll give you more of a zoomed out shot today so you can have a view of the boy. Do you have a Valentine's Day message for our friends? The strong silent type. Oh, you do have something to say. Got it. So we're back from our little Valentine's Day thrifting date, and I did in fact buy my Valentine's Day sweater. I think it reflects me as a person. 95% soft and fluffy, 5% kind of itchy. So since I only got the shirt, I'm gonna use a couple pieces from my own closet to style up a couple Valentine's Day looks, and let's just jump into that right now. Exhibit A, the fuzzy cream polo. I know this isn't the obvious choice for a romantic item of clothing, but I love the retro vibe, especially when paired with a red hair scarf. Okay, here's the first full look. Lots of fun juxtaposition here with the fuzzy shirt and the black leather everything else. We keep things soft with the hair scarf and voila, a cool confident date look perfect for coffee or cocktails. Let's swap out those boots for some sneakers, and now we're ready for a stroll around the park with our dogs, who also happen to be in love. All right, changing gears and outfits to something a little bit more fancy. A lot of times when you think of Valentine's Day, you might think of wearing a dress, but have you considered a suit? The fact that it's pink is a little on the nose, and honestly, I love that for me. Okay, we all knew it was coming. Time to bring a sweater vest into the mix and go for a more casual Valentine's Day vibe. Maybe you're treating yourself to bubble tea with your besties, or you're perusing the aisles of a bookstore with your will they, won't they crush. The soft on soft texture will ensure that you're super cozy no matter what you get up to on February 14th. And we can't forget to accessorize. Keep things casual with a vintage tote bag, which I actually found during this thrift with me, but I forgot to film it, oops, and the softest, fluffiest pink puffer that you can muster. This is cute, I'm cute, you're cute, we're all cute. Well, what did you think? If you had a favorite outfit that I showed you, let me know down in the comments. I think my favorite was all of them. And let me know if you're going to be rocking a thrifted look this Valentine's Day, whether it's for a romantic date, if you're going to be attending a platonic Palentine's Day, or just having a cozy evening to yourself. That is so Valentine's Day. If you like this thrifty video and you'd like to see my future thrifty videos, then feel free to subscribe if you'd like. I think we could really take things to the next level, you and me. And if you want to keep up with me in the meantime, before my next video, you can follow me on you can follow me on Instagram or TikTok at kathleenillustrated. That's gonna do it for this week. So until next time, I love you, and I mean it. Okay, bye.